Hi guys, we're going to be making my one pot chili. I have everything all measured out and ready to go. You're going to want to use a large heavy pot or a Dutch oven. I'm using a enamel coated cast iron. I'm heating up 4 tablespoons of olive oil over a medium heat. I'm adding in half a diced onion, a yellow onion. I know my pot looks dirty. It's clean though. It's just starting to get stained. 1 diced and seeded green bell pepper. This is 2 minced seeded jalapeno peppers. You can reduce it down to 1, or you can just not use any at all if you wish. I'm going to stir this in. We're going to saute this till the onion is translucent. Okay, so now I'm adding 2 minced cloves of garlic. And I'm going to stir that in and let it cook for just about 30 seconds, not very long. So next I've added 2 pounds of ground beef. I'm using 81/19%. And I'm going to go ahead and brown this up and break it down, and it'll be being mixed in with the vegetables on the bottom. So the meat is browned, and if there's too much grease, you could go ahead and spoon off a little bit. And I'm going to start putting seasonings in here. And here I have 3 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon of cumin, and 2.5 teaspoons of oregano. And this is 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1.5 teaspoons of smoked paprika, and 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. This is 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. I'm going to stir this in, and I am going to cook it for about 2 minutes to get the seasonings heated up. I'm going to add in 4 tablespoons of tomato paste. And we're going to just stir that in and just let it cook about a minute. This is a 14.5 ounce of diced fire roasted tomatoes, and I'm adding that in with the juice. And then I'm going to add another one in just like that. Give it a stir. This is a 15-ounce can of black beans that were rinsed and drained. I have a 15.5 ounce can of kidney beans that I rinsed and drained. I took 1 cup of the beans and I separated it and put it into another bowl. I'm going to add the rest of the beans to this one. We'll stir this all up. And now I'm adding 2.5 cups of low sodium beef broth. And 1 teaspoon of brown sugar that was packed. So I took that 1 cup of beans that I put aside, and I added 1/4 cup of beef broth to this, the low sodium, and I mashed it all up. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add that back in here. To mash it up, you could use a potato masher, which is what I did, or you could put it in a food processor. So I turn the heat up and I'm getting it to bubbling. I'm going to turn this down right away to a low, gentle simmer, and I'm going to simmer it for 25 minutes uncovered. You want to stir it occasionally, and if it is starting to stick too much, you can add a little bit more beef broth if you want. I would do just a little bit at a time because you don't want to get it too runny. And then when it's done, you're going to want to taste it and see if you want some more salt, some more pepper, or even some more brown sugar into it. So there's my one pot chili. If you wanted to, you could add some shredded cheddar cheese or a dollop of sour cream or some cilantro, or all 3 if you wanted to. And I hope you guys like my video. Please subscribe to my channel and give my video a thumbs up. And thank you guys for watching.